Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build professional dashboard alarm in AVEVA InTouch HMI 2023. Let's get started. First, I create one small project. Okay. Then we go to here, tag, we create new tag. Okay. New one is we create two is temp level, tank level. Okay, we choose detail alarm. In here, we should set up is low. We can use alarm value is 20. Okay, is high alarm. We can use 200, 250. Okay, save. Okay, then we create another one. Tank temperature. Okay, is low, we can choose 10. High, we can choose high alarm, we can choose 95.2 or 95.5 is 10.5. In here we can choose memory name is real. Okay, it's memory real. Okay, save, close. Now we create new graph. Is the rename tank. Okay, we double click tank, then go to the graphic, industrial graphic edit. Okay, double click, embed an industrial graphic. We go to here, duplicate, level, the number is what's it? Okay, here's the level, here's temperature. Yeah, temperature. That's it. So we go to here, level, flow. In here we choose level. Okay, in here we choose temperature. So here's level. Now we can go to here, configure it, go down, go to here, is weather option, go down symbol model, is basic, we choose advanced. So you can see here, is alert alarm information. Okay. First, we should alarm limit indicate. We should keep here is true. Okay. This one is true. So we need the high limit indicator is true. So we need the no limit here is true because before I set up is high limit, no limit is the I set up already. Okay. Next. In here, alarm board, we should choose truth. Okay, that's it. First one. Then is the level. Then we choose is the customer property. In here, we can here look. Here's alarm high limit. Okay, so here is the level. It's a tank level. 你看 tank level. Okay, 你 here tank level is high limit. The high limit. Okay. Okay. Is alarm variable? This is true. Okay. Is alarm no limit? Here we choose no limit. Is tank level that is what's no limit. LO no limit. Okay. Then here we choose tank level is arcade. Okay. Then here alarm is alarm on, so we choose alarm. Tank level alarm. That's it. Then here alarm most urgent module. We choose 1. Okay. Then here same thing. We choose 1. Is false. Is true. Is true. Is PV. We choose tank level. Okay. Then here PV ranged 4 scale maximum. Then here tank level. What's that? Is the engineer is alarm engineer. No. Maximum is maximum. Maximum EU. Maximum EU means maximum engineer unit. Okay. And here tank temperature or tank level. Minimum EU. Okay. That's it. PV person. Okay, we make sure here is private. Here is private. Okay. And private. Here is private. Here is private. Here is private. Okay, that's it. So we go to temperature. All the same thing. Look here. All the property in here, but we have to do custom properties. Also, here is alarm limited, yes. Alarm high limit, yes. Is low limit, yes. And last one is alarm board, yes. Okay. Then right click, customer property, all the similar. It's tank. That's it. Okay. Is here you choose private. Then here you choose private. Shift, we choose private. That's it. Okay, save. Create tank. Put here. Okay, with YZ, we create value. Okay, that's it. We can try. Never. Oh, sorry, we make mistake. And here we should be input. Maximum is 0 is 100. Yeah. Now this is 500. What's a 500? Let me see. What's a 250? It's we can change this one. The 500 450. It's a high level. This one is 50. Okay. Save. It's 500. Okay. It's 500. Okay. This one. Tank level. Mm. 10. High, low is 10. High is 100. Oh, high level 95. Okay. Save. In here, allow is 0 to 100. Okay. So we save. We start again. It's 400. Look, it's good. Yeah, it's 45 is 50. 5. And here is 100. No, it's 200. 300. Okay. Yeah. So everything is okay. It's 50, 55, 300. All the similar. Okay. This one alarm. Okay. Look.